हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे ABCD A to Z अल्फाबेट। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for next, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella,